What can be done to ensure the energetic performance of your buildings, with more efficient regulation to consume only the necessary energy? By continuously monitoring the key indicators of the facilities. By detecting consumption drift as soon as it appears. Making all buildings smarter is finally possible, and now more accessible thanks to the Internet of Things. The instrumentation of the buildings is simplified. The sensors no longer need wired networks and are completely modular. With the Semlink solution, you're able to efficiently supervise and control all your installations. The power of the algorithm makes it possible to automate the supervision and optimize the regulation for smarter buildings. Your clients have access to relevant information simply and quickly. So now everyone can play a role in the energy optimization of their buildings. Don't miss this revolution.